Hello and welcome back. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck, and of course today I've got another unboxing. Something came in via Amazon because they also deliver in the Netherlands since about a year or so. So let's see what's in this box. It's not something for the truck, it's something for my daily driver. It's a Seat Ibiza. Probably you guys in the States don't know this. It looks like this. And it still has some halogen H7 headlight bulbs, which I am going to replace with these. I think these are actually intended for the Asian market. They're Philips, so that's a Dutch brand. Originally Dutch and still head office in the Netherlands. They focus, or actually they started with lighting business with the incandescent lights, but now they also moved into LED for quite a while by now. So they're definitely a world player when it comes to proper LEDs, and this is their attempt for replacement drop-in headlight bulbs. So let's open it up. Interestingly, just like incandescent bulbs or especially halogen bulbs, do not touch the envelope or the glass. In this case I'm curious actually to see what is actually in here. More stickers. Let's see if that works. No, but this does. Let's see. Okay. How did they envision this? Okay, that's one. That's two. Okay, what do we have here? The LEDs are quite close to each other, because the original filament is of course just, well, probably the width of this PCB. But I must say this looks pretty promising. Let's fire one up and see what kind of light, just bare light output it produces. And then afterwards I will put it into the headlight housing, and then hopefully it will give a beam pattern just like this, because that is essential. I don't want to have headlights which are blinding oncoming traffic and also not give me a proper beam pattern. This needs to be an improvement, not a degradation. So here are a couple of stills. This is how it looks like installed. Some beam shot patterns and a little bit in the fog, but overall I'm really happy with the install. It's money well spent. It's a proper light color. It's not that blue bullshit, and yeah, really happy with the outcome. Well, that wraps it up for this video. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.